all my KeyBees and all my KeyDogs. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If y'all oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Keona Michelle, and let's just get into this video. So this is going to be a very fun video for me, and I know it's going to be for you. That's why I brought this to you. I'm going to be doing my lip combos, like just 3 or 4 of my lip combos that I just do on a regular basis. I find myself continuously picking up these products and doing me a bomb lip combo. I love lip combos. I don't care what season, winter, summer, spring, or fall. I'm going to do a lip combo because they just make your lips pop. But before we get into products, we're going to talk about some products that you just need even if you can't do a lip combo. If you don't know how to line your lips with a lip liner, if you don't like color, make sure you have some Carmex. Make sure you have some Carmex, and this costs like $1 something to $2. You can get this at Dollar Tree. You can get this at the gas stations. Keep this on deck, especially for this time right now. Where I live is super cold, and you can't go wrong with Carmex. You can even put a lip liner on with the Carmex. But make sure you have some Blistex, some Carmex. I even have this. I use this. This is a skin protector, and I use this on my lips if I don't have anything else. I even keep me some Original, and it's beat up because I've had it for so long. Some good old Vaseline. I use this when I don't have any lip gloss. I leave some in my car. I have so many lip products just everywhere because don't nobody want their lips to be cracking up and ashy while they talking to people, just in general. So let's just get into my favorite. We have to start out with a bang. If you're gonna start out with a bang. My favorite lip combo to do is the one that I'm wearing right now. And let me show you what products I use. Of course, I use a lip liner. So this is the lip liner that I use. I always talk about this. This is the Ruby Kisses, an OG. For 99 cents, y'all. Go get y'all one, a lip liner. Black. I love a black lip liner. It's my go-to lip liner. Like, I like all the other colors, they cool. But when it comes to that black, baby, it's going to hit every time. So this is the one I get. I get the one with the twist on it. I'll do the pencil one as well that you have to sharpen, but I really like this one because it's more potent than the actual pencil. You don't have to go lining this so many times, only about once or twice, unless you like a darker top. For your liner, which I do, I overdo mine when it comes to lip liner because I really like the black to pop. So you have this black lip liner from Ruby Kisses, and I'll link everything that I can find down below because I usually get this at the beauty supply for $1. The next thing I have, y'all not gonna believe it, my clear gloss. Now, I have like a couple variations of clear gloss, but my go-to is, again, at the beauty supply. This is the NK Makeup Lip Gel with vitamin E in the strawberry, but of course, any kind gonna pop because it's an OG lip gloss, y'all. It's this right here. This is the gloss that I've been using forever. It don't never stir me wrong. Like, every time I need some lip gloss to do my little plain lip combo with the black liner, this is what I go to. This is in the strawberry, and it's so thick, y'all. And y'all can just see, and I'm just going to apply a little more just so y'all can see how thick it is. Look at that. And it smells good. If you love your lip gloss to be popping, baby, you cannot go wrong with a lip gloss. From the beauty supply, the NK Makeup. Hit every time. So the next combo is for the girls who not really into the gloss. They're more of a matte type of girl. I got you. So the first product I'm going to use to do this combo, which I really like this when I wear black or when I wear dark colors, but especially when I wear striped black and white or I wear black and white. I love to do this combo because black and white with a pop of red, don't play with it. So again, I'm going to go in with this black liner. Want to overline, that's cool too. I just don't do that. But if you want to get a fuller look, like give the illusion that your lips are fuller, you can definitely overline. And then I'm going to take this chunky crayon. Your girl loves a chunky crayon. I got from Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. This is the Fat Lip Chunky Stick, and this is in Kimono Cherry. And I'm just going to go in the middle. Oh, they're so cute. I love it already. Some of the crayon is breaking. And then start that one. Again, make sure you get your size because you don't want it looking like that. You want the product everywhere. It make the combo pop better. Okay. So if you're not into gloss with your combos, you just want a matte finish, I'm done right here. So I use this chunky crayon and I use this. 2 products, $2. At the most, $2.50. Like, you cannot go wrong with that, y'all. Go get this product. And this is really cute. It probably don't go with this tan color, but it do. Like, you can't go wrong with a red. So this is for my matte lovers. But if you're a gloss lover and you want to finish this off with a gloss, you definitely can do it. Go back to my trusty old gloss. And we're just going to put it on the top of this. And again, just dap it. And then you have a glossy combo. And this is really, really cute too. And it smells good. That's just a plus. So we're back to bare face. If you're looking at me, you like, girl, I cannot get none of those products. You just can't get the combos together. I got you. If you want to just do a simple lip look, you could just do a regular gloss, and this is what I put on when I just don't have time to do no lip liner. I just need to hurry up and grab something and go. This is the Milani Fruit Fetish. I hope I'm saying that right. This is in the 150 Kiwi Watermelon. This is a lip balm. It looks like this. And I just apply this. Now, this is edible. It does taste, but don't go just suck it on your lip. But you can, like, lick this periodically, and it'll give you that kiwi taste. And I really like that. And it smells really good. It's super moisturizing. So while this is on your lips, it's moisturizing your lips as well. And it has a gloss and it smells good. Like, how can you go wrong? So this is how this looks. And I love this formula because it's super smooth going on. It's not too glossy, but it's not sticky as well. But it has a shine. It smells so good, y'all. And they have so many different types of scents that you can choose from, like different type of fruit flavors and everything. So definitely check them out. I'll put this link down below. I got this from Walgreens, I think. But look at the gloss. And it's not sticky at all. This is super lightweight. If you don't like that sticky and thick type of lip gloss, this is perfect for you. So this last one I have is for the girls out there who like, I just like something a little darker. I'm not really like a bright red type of lip gloss type of girl. I'm really not a liner type of girl. I like the black colors and the plum colors. I got you. So the next one I have is this Ruby Kisses Super Rich Creamy. So this is not going to be a matte lipstick. This is a creamy lipstick. And it is in the color Wine. And this is how it looks. And this, you don't have to add anything else. Giving fall, very much so. We're just going to apply this. And this is if you like darker colors. It goes on so smooth, so moisturizing. And you don't need a lot. I just like to fill my lips in. I really do. And this was like $1 and something, $2 at the most at the beauty supply. It still has a shine. It doesn't necessarily have the glosses popping, but it does have a shine and it's super moisturizing. And when it dries down, it's still not going to look ashy. It's still going to look moisturizing and it's still going to have that shine. So I really like that. For my metallic lovers, I got y'all too. I got this Juicy by J. This is a lip jelly. It's 7 milliliters. And I got this from one of my subscribers. And I'll put her channel down below. Go check my girl out and support. Hey girl, hey Lakeisha. But yes, I got this. And I have another one, but that's almost gone because I really like it. It has glitter in it. But we're going to go ahead and try this one. And again, you don't need any like liner or anything. It has a light smell, but it's not like a fruit smell. It smells more like perfume, but It looks like this. And this is just really light. But it gives a metallic look. And I really like that sometimes. This is subtle. It's not too much. But it's so moisturizing and smooth. And I really like the tube. I really like this container. It's really cute and thick again. I really like that. This is so cute. This is so cute, y'all. And it goes with my dress too. If you're into lip colors, some people don't like colors on their lips or they don't want their lips tint or anything like that. This is super cute. Back to the basics, my favorite combo again. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any lip combos or any products that you use to make the best lip combos, please put them down in the description box because I want to try them, because I always am shopping for lip products and I always want to try new combos, like maybe a different lipstick or a different brand that I haven't heard of. I would love to try it. Just put it down in the description box. If you liked any of these combos, let me know which one was your favorite. Or are you a lip gloss girl? Or are you a matte lipstick girl? Or are you a glossy lipstick girl? Just let me know in the comment section. I really appreciate you for watching my video. I also want to thank all my new subscribers. I really do appreciate you for taking your time out to watch my channel. But yes, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44. But until the next video, all my KeyBees and KeyDogs, I'm checking out. Peace.